how to do laundry. That sounds so basic, but I am a huge advocate for basic life skills. Things that we sometimes just expect people, especially kids, to know. But how will they know if no one tells them, right? So, laundry. Some people don't do this, but I do. I divide my clothes as much as possible by darker colors and lighter colors. It can be very confusing, but just do your best. Most of the time, it's okay. Nothing bad will happen unless something is obviously white, and then you put it with an obviously colored garment. Then it's possible the white material or the white clothes will get stains or colors. But so far, it hasn't really happened, so don't worry about that. But it helps to keep your lighter clothes stay light, right? So you need to fill your washing machine just enough, not too much, or else you might ruin your washing machine. At least halfway. And then you can put in the detergent. They have liquid detergent, they have powder detergent. Then don't forget, if you need to, you have to plug your washing machine in. We have to do that here. And then you just read the instructions. It's very straightforward. There's the power button. You can usually choose just use your logic. What kind of clothes are you washing? You want a quick wash? I always stick with the quick wash, but there's these other options. Just read it, and whatever that option says, it's very straightforward. That's what it will do. Okay, and then you can choose your water level. If you're not washing so much clothes, then if it's half, then maybe level 4, depending on your machine. But for me, when I don't fill stuff the washing machine, just maybe halfway or a quarter to the top, and then I use the full water, right? Okay, so I press all the way there. That 50 means it's 50 minutes. That's how long it's gonna take for this batch of clothes to be done. And then everything else just stays the same. Usually it's the default. And then press start, and in 50 minutes the machine has an alarm. Most machines do. And then you take it out. And for me, I have a dryer, but growing up I never did. But I loved dryers are such a lifesaver and time saver. For this video, I will be teaching you how to also use a dryer. So before you put your clothes in, you need to kind of like open it up, make sure that it's not all like squished in a ball or it won't dry properly, and then try to put it in like one item at a time so it will dry properly. And same with the dryer, don't fill it up too much. It's not worth to put too much, and then you're gonna spoil your machine, and then you won't have a machine that works, and then that's even worse than waiting twice. Okay, you put it in, start the machine. For us, 1.5 hours dries it completely and starts. So this is my kiddo. He helps. This is one of his chores. Yeah, and he's also learning how to do the laundry. And there you go, just leave it for 1.5 hours, and then it's completely dry. You take it out, and the best thing is to just fold it right away, because if you leave it out there and then once the heat cools down, your clothes will crumple, and then you'll just end up having a big pile. And always remember to clean out your dryer and even your washing machine, but the dryers need to be cleaned out very regularly. After at least two dries, this is what it collects, all these dusts and everything, and then you need to clear it out. Yeah, and then some dryers you have to take out the water. It collects waters, but this one doesn't have that feature. So just make sure you know what type of dryer you have. Then that doesn't end there. You gotta fold your clothes. And when you fold your clothes, you have to categorize it. So there's my husband, me, and then my kiddo. So he has his shirts in one pile, shorts in one pile, pajamas in one pile, and voila.